sunny morning, a little child walked to the beach and looked at the big blue ocean.
The waves moved softly and the water sparkled like magic.
Suddenly a friendly voice said, "Hello, welcome to the ocean."
The child looked around. From the water came a smiling dolphin jumping high.
"Come meet my ocean friends," said the dolphin happily, and the ocean animal song began.
The dolphin jumped high above the water.
"Hello, I am the dolphin."
The dolphin splashed and made funny sounds. Click, click, click. The dolphin swam fast in circles and sang.
Jump, jump high, swim, swim fast, happy dolphin in the sea.
The child laughed and clapped.
Suddenly something moved on the sand.
Tap, tap, tap.
A little red crab walked sideways.
Hello!
"I am the crab." The crab lifted its tiny claws and made funny sounds.
Tap, tap, snap, snap, snap. The crab danced sideways and sang.
Side, side walking.
Clap, clap, clap.
Funny crab says hi.
From the deep blue water came a gentle sea turtle.
Slowly, slowly, it swam closer.
Hello, little friend, said the turtle softly.
"I am the ocean turtle."
The turtle moved its big flipper slowly. Swish, swish.
And it sang,
Slow, slow turtle, swim so free, happy turtle in the sea.
Suddenly the water moved again.
Swish, swish.
A big shark swam by. The child looked surprised, but the shark smiled. "Hello, don't worry, I'm a friendly shark."
The shark moved its tail quickly and made a silly sound.
Chomp, chomp.
Ha ha! Then the shark sang. Swim, swim fast.
Tail swish, swish.
Friendly shark says hi.
Now all the ocean animals came together. The dolphin jumped,
The crab tapped.
the turtle swam slowly.
The shark swished its tail.
They all sang together.
Swim, swim together. Splash, splash, see. Ocean friends are fun.
The child danced and splashed with them.
The sun began to set over the ocean.
The dolphin waved goodbye.
The crab tapped goodbye.
The turtle swam home.
The shark splashed the water one last time. All the ocean animals sang.
Bye-bye, friends. See you soon.
Ocean friends love you.
The child smiled and waved at the sea.
And the ocean animal song adventure ended happily.